Asia market open. Bitcoin slips below $110,000 as Fed cut leaves traders guessing next move. Bitcoin. Markets. The Fed cut rates by 25 basis points to 3.75% to 4%, but Powell signaled caution on further easing as the shutdown limits access to key economic data. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. Crypto reporter. Shalini Nagarajan. About author. Shalini is a crypto reporter who provides in-depth reports on daily developments and regulatory shifts in the cryptocurrency sector. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 9 minutes ago. Good morning, Asia. Before the bell, markets are struggling to find direction after the Federal Reserve cut rates as expected, but offered little clarity on what comes next. Bitcoin slipped under $110,000, extending losses as traders turned cautious following Jerome Powell's measured tone. Asian equities open mixed. Equities in Japan and Australia dipped, tracking weakness in U.S. contracts after the S&P 500 reversed earlier gains. Wall Street ended mixed as Meta warned of higher 2026 expenses, and Microsoft's Azure growth disappointed investors. Market snapshot. Bitcoin, $110,622, down 1.7%. Ether, $3,930, down 1.7%. XRP, $2.58, down 1.3%. Total crypto market cap, $3.83 trillion, down 1.1%. Fed delivers 25 BP cut as Powell warns data gaps could skew policy path. The Fed cut its benchmark rate by 25 basis points to a range of 3.75% to 4%, its first move in months, but Powell urged restraint on expecting another reduction this year. He said policymakers are reassessing risks to the labor market and will remain cautious, especially as the government shutdown limits access to economic data. The cut was priced in. That was very clear to me, said Maya Vujanovic, CEO and co-founder of digital assets at FG Nexus. A lot of people in my crypto chats were expecting a little bit of a bump, but the market keeps selling off. Powell's stance came across as less dovish, and traders were hoping for a signal of more aggressive or frequent future cuts. The central bank statement acknowledged the data blackout caused by the shutdown, warning it could complicate future decisions if job and inflation reports remain unavailable. Markets quickly paired bets on further easing, pushing 2-year Treasury yields up 11 basis points and giving the dollar a lift. Fed cut fails to ignite rally as Powell strikes a guarded note. In Asia, investors will watch for the Bank of Japan's policy decision on Thursday, where rates are widely expected to stay unchanged at 0.5%. The meeting will be the first under Prime Minister Sanai Takaichi, who is viewed as supportive of continued monetary easing. Meanwhile, diplomatic focus shifts to South Korea, where U.S. President Donald Trump and China's Xi Jinping are expected to meet later today. The two leaders are preparing to finalize a limited reconciliation that could pause new tariffs and restart trade in key commodities such as soybeans. Fed's December QT wind down seen as a key catalyst for broader risk assets. Macro uncertainty is still high, Vujanovic said. Many investors are taking profits at these resistance levels and reducing exposure until there's more clarity from both the Fed and the broader global economy, she said. Greg Magadini, director of derivatives at Amber Data, said the policy shift could still favor crypto once liquidity conditions ease. We're still in the early stages of a cutting cycle, and easing liquidity will help push prices higher and bring volatility back down for BTC, he said. He added that the end of the Fed's quantitative tightening, QT, plan in December should support broader risk sentiment. FOMC coming in as expected helps reinforce the lower volatility environment, Magadini said. As long as liquidity remains easy, we expect crypto to rally into year-end. For now, though, uncertainty dominates the market. Traders are adjusting to a Fed that just turned slightly more cautious, a government that's partially shut down, and a data void that leaves markets guessing what comes next. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. Gemini AI predicts the price of BTC, SOL, XRP by the end of 2025. Alibaba's Qwen AI with explosive 3-month XRP price prediction. Could XRP hit $4.20 by January 2026? Ethereum price prediction. Could the Fed's announcement later today push the ETH price to a new ADH? Why is crypto down today? October 28, 2025. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of SOL, XRP, BNB by the end of October 2025. Features. Bitcoin price falls as Federal Reserve cuts interest rates. Are bears in control? 9 hours ago. By Connor Sefton. Bitcoin news. France stuns Europe. Could lawmakers adopt Bitcoin and ban digital euro? 1 day ago. By Hassan Shitu. Price analysis. Alibaba's Quen AI predicts the price of XRP, Doge, and SOL for November 2025. 2 days ago. By Harvey Hunter. Best crypto to buy now in October 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 19 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in October 2025. 42 minutes ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 17 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 2 days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 5 days ago. By Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 3, 2025. By Ben Beto.